Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Yesterday it wasn't raining like it was this morning. That is why I went back to SF Cinema Terminal 21 Pattaya to see The Odyssey. But today back here, I noticed that I could show y'all some fresh content that I haven't done before. Y'all have seen the title. So first thing first, y'all can see one of many places where y'all can get ingredients. I already got most of them because I'm an adept of delivery services for products that have long expiration date. I was only there for those who don't, like chocolate milk and others. And just like we already have it in Europe, I show y'all the self-checkout machines when I finished. They also have videos to show y'all how to do it. So now I'm about to cook linguine with chicken ginger with all the ingredients that I found. Watch this. So we got for right to left vinegar, olive oil, black pepper, cumin, garlic, turmeric, and Maggi sauce. And I was about to forget the most important thing, the ginger sauce. And y'all can add parmesan if y'all feel like it. Anyway, later on for dessert, I went to Amazon Cafe. I had Croffle sandwiches several times but never sweet, so that's why I took one with sugar and later another with chocolate that I put myself. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate this content just like I did making it. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.